Hey, 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 crew, what's going on? Hey, so if you're into creating digital art, you need to check out this app. It's called PaintZ. So, what you can do is open up a tab, go to paintz.app, and this should be on your Chromebooks ready to go. And I love this because you can actually do your positive, negative shape exercises today using this app. This is how you do it. So you'll go up, go to the shape square, go ahead and make your squares. They don't have to be that big, about 2 inches big, So you can make your squares just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. These are a little bit bigger, but that's okay. So you can make, I think, up to like 6 squares. I'll just do 3 for right now. And to draw your mechanical or freehand lines that you did in your sketchbook digitally, you can use these tools up here. So this is the line tool. This is kind of like your mechanical line. You can use straight lines like this. So you just click and then drag it down. There's my line of symmetry. Still using just 5 types of lines. So let's say 1, 2, and you could totally just use all straight lines, or you can use this curved line up here, which is kind of neat because it draws like a straight line. So I'm just kind of clicking and I drag it over here, but then you can grab onto the center. I think I want to bring it up here and make a big curved mechanical line. You can see that it's still kind of mechanical because the tool is very, very precise. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3. Let's do another curve. Well, let's do another curve line. So I need 4, because remember this design won't work. You click and drag it. That's kind of cool. So it's symmetrical. And let's do one more line right here. Cool, symmetrical design, 5 lines, boom, did that digitally. It's super fun. If you want to use like freehand lines, you can just go up to this drawing tool. And if you want to make the line tool, oh, no, it won't let me. I was going to say you can make the line a little bit heavier, but it's not letting me here. So this is fine. So I just go to that drawing tool and then let me make an asymmetrical design. So let's do that big 8th grader line. The key is though, you have to make sure that the line touches the edges of the box, or else when you fill it in with the positive shapes, like it won't take. So let's do 1, 2, 3, and see how I'm just balancing out with some smaller shapes here. 4, and then maybe just a little friend right here. 5. Okay, cool. All right, so once again, you have to make sure that those lines actually touch, or else this next part won't work. Okay, so the next part is our positive negative shape study, right? So you can go up here to this paint bucket, make sure that you have selected the black, and you can just literally click this paint bucket into any shape that you know you want to be positive. So remember, I'm always taking turns: positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So positive, negative, negative, because I can't have 2 positive shapes beside one another. Okay, leave that empty, fill it in. Oh, so you'll see what happened here is because my line didn't actually touch that very little bottom of the square, it didn't create these 2 different shapes. So it's totally okay. You just press backspace if you need to. So go back to the paint. So that's negative, that's positive, that's positive, that's negative, so on and so forth. Can't do that positive because look, I would lose my design. So press undo, do. Cool. And this is a great way to actually create your positive negative study into your design. Same thing right like over here. Let's say I want to make this big shape positive. So I need to leave that one negative. I can do positive, 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 and it's really balanced out. This is such a cool way to do these designs digitally and work like a graphic designer. Spicy option, you don't have to do this, but if you want to try, you can actually just save. We'll call it positive negative designs, and it'll literally just save to your Chromebook. Like, how cool is that? See, it's just downloaded right here. So give it a go. It's super fun. All right. Okay, y'all. Have a good one.